Hey guys, Rhett here, down in Birmingham. Have a crazy situation that unfolded down here with this property. It's a client's first multifamily purchase, okay? Super excited, and not even in the traditional multifamily sense. It's two properties on one lot, both gonna be Section 8. Come on in. We finished rehabbing this first one. There's a secondary unit out back. We're gonna go look at that also. Pretty unbelievable. So guys, we got both of these properties for about $60,000 was the purchase price. Financed over 30 years. The client only put down roughly $12,000. The rehab on this first unit was $35,000. The rehab on the back unit, the rehab on this unit was $30,000. Rehab on the back unit was $10,000. Okay, so guys, come on in. We'll show you what we have going on, okay? So, as we kind of come in here, we have a nice little sitting room in here. And in here, we get to the kitchen. So, kitchen's being cleaned up. That'll be cleaned up kind of as part of the last thing that we do with the renovation is come in, we clean the whole thing. Covered in dust, and what we'll do is we'll come in here and on this countertop, put a new countertop in here as well. Paint these cabinets. It's kind of the last thing that'll be done in here. So, throughout the whole house, guys, all new flooring throughout. So we got brand new vinyl flooring in this room right here. We have all new carpet throughout the whole house. 99% of the house has all new doors throughout the whole house, okay? So we got new doors, new carpet, all new paint, all right, throughout the whole house. Now, as we walk through, so we're in the living room right now. As we continue onward, okay, we enter bedroom. Okay, so bedroom right off the living room. So we have a bedroom right here, right off the living room. All right, this is bedroom number 1. Okay, centrally located in the center of the house. We have a fireplace in here. Now, of course, we cap the fireplaces in all the units. It's not worth the liability risk of allowing a fireplace. Okay. Also, on the back side of this fireplace is an old heating system. So we couldn't use this fireplace even if we wanted to, okay? So, this is bedroom number 1. Now, off of bedroom number 1, you have some other doors, okay? There's 4 doors in this room, and a new closet that we built. Originally, we didn't have a closet, so we built this new closet. Needs to be a closet, okay? All new light fixtures throughout the whole house, all new smoke detectors, everything's new, all right? So, bedroom number 2, off of bedroom number 1, okay? We have full closets on the wall right here. Okay, this is kind of a pantry into that room over there. So we have full closets right here. So we know that this will qualify as a bedroom. We have our 2 windows, our 2 egresses, which we both need. Again, guys, new doors and new everything throughout the unit. Okay, so gonna be a great bedroom. So now we have 2 bedrooms. Now, there is a way into this bedroom that's not through this bedroom, and it's through that door over there. We'll show you that later. So, we're going to go through this bedroom again, okay? And here, we have another bedroom, okay? So this is bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 3 was not a bedroom either. So, we built a closet, brand new closet in here, okay? We put in some new windows. That's a new window. This is a new window. This window was here, so 2 new windows in here, okay? Painted this whole thing, all new outlet covers throughout the whole room, had this entire back half rewired for electrical, and it's gonna be fantastic. So, this is another bedroom, a lot of light, a lot of windows. Originally, when the client bought this house, it was all boarded up, so everything in here was boarded up. We took the boards down, put new windows in, repainted the whole thing, built a closet, and now we have a functioning bedroom, okay? So guys, as we head through bedroom number 3, we come into bedroom number 4, okay? Now, bedroom number 4 can be a bedroom or it can be some kind of lounge room. We haven't really decided yet, but it'll most likely be kind of more of a lounge room. There's a front door here. You can make this into a sitting room. There's a heating unit right here as well. We're gonna put window units throughout this whole house. There's already one that is honestly, it's cool. It's a hot day down here in Alabama today, and it's pretty cool. But a lot of light comes through here, guys, and it's a nice room. So you see kind of in here, easy access to the kitchen. So it's right off the kitchen. It would be probably better as a sitting room, more so than a bedroom. So guys, coming through here, we're back into the kitchen, back into the living room. All this needs to be replaced. This will be one of the final things that we take care of, and I'll tell you why, because this is an original window unit in here. It's keeping everybody cool while they work in here. One thing we don't like to do is we don't like to put window units and heating window units, dual units, into our rentals until we're just about done. We don't want new things sitting in units at the risk of them being stolen, taken, damaged. So because this is leaking, we don't want to take care of it right away while we're still using it. So before we rip this thing out and put a brand new one in, we'll take all this off, take it back down to the paneling, repaint it, make it all good, put a new window unit in there, okay? So, guys, as we continue onward, this is actually another bedroom. So, you could turn that other room into a sitting room or a bedroom. You could turn this room into a sitting room or a bedroom, okay? A little bit smaller, has its own heating unit, okay? Has its own closet right here as well. So it qualifies as a bedroom. It has an exit door. It has windows. It has egresses. It has everything you need to qualify as a bedroom. So this home right here is a 4-bedroom, possibly 5-bedroom if you want it to be. We're probably going to keep it as a 4-bedroom, and that way we can have a little bit more common space, which will be more advantageous to bringing tenants in. But really, really nice, guys, and just some tiny touch-up things that need to be done in this unit before we're ready to pass it on to the rental market. So really good in here, guys. Again, all this stuff will be cleaned, all new flooring throughout the entire house, and we'll go from there. So as we exit, I want to show you guys what is so unique about this house. So as we come out here, when the client bought this house, guys, the back half of the property was covered in overgrown trees and shrubs and just debris. So we didn't really know what we were getting into. Now, as we continued back to the house, we realized that what we thought was a shed was actually a unit, okay? So as we go in, we got a team working in there right now, and we'll check it out. Come on back. So guys, in here, we have our second unit, okay? So this is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit. Really cool though in here, so it's separately metered for electrical, for gas, for water. So it's completely separate from that unit over there, okay? We ripped up all the flooring. We're gonna scrape all the paint. We're gonna repaint in here, take care of all that, okay? A lot of work needs to be done in here, as you can tell. But we're gonna put new windows in here also. So we're gonna take these windows out, put new windows in, take care of all that, all right? So coming back here, we have our kitchen, okay? Come on in, it's kind of rough in here. All right, you see we have some damage. We put a brand new roof on this. We put a brand new roof on the unit next door too, so brand new roofs. Some serious water damage, guys, was going on in here. We're taking all this stuff out, putting all new stuff in. This is gonna be a Section 8, 1-bedroom, 1-bath, okay? So it's cool, you got a 4-bedroom and then you have a 1-bedroom, 2 houses for the price of 1. Unbelievable find for the client, okay? And then guys, at the end of this thing, we have a bathroom, okay? Kyle, I'll let you get in there.
Yeah, I'll sneak in here, show them the fine commode. You got the toilet, you got the sink, you got the tub.
So, you know, a lot of work needs to be done in here, guys. We're hoping that this will be, you know, only about 2 more weeks, kind of a full gut in here and rebuilt. But, you know, we're doing it, and it'll be done the right way. So it'll be pretty good. And then lastly, guys, so you saw the kitchen, you saw the bathroom, okay? You saw everything that needs to be done. The last piece of this is the bedroom, okay? So this is the bedroom. We have a, relative for the size of the unit, we have a big bedroom, okay? Ceilings are a little bit low, but that's all right. So everything in here, all the flooring being ripped up, all new carpet going down, new vinyl in the kitchen, new vinyl in the bathroom. We already have our closet with all new doors, all new windows in here as well, and do, a really nice job with this house, okay? We got a window unit in here, shockingly still works. It's nice and cool in the house. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna rip it out, we're gonna put a new window unit in. We've already purchased the window units for both units, and we'll get this taken care of. So guys, crazy turn of events that turned kind of a one home purchase into a multifamily. That's gonna be really a great deal. So, really cool, and all in expense cost, the full rehab for both units is $50,000 total. So I believe I was wrong with my numbers. $30,000 on the front unit, $20,000 on this back unit. As you can tell, we got to pretty much rebuild this back unit. So really excited and looking forward to having this thing finished. It's going to bring in a ton of rent, probably $1,200 in the front unit and about $800 or $700 on this back unit. So close to $2,000, guys, guaranteed from the government. If you want to do something like this, shoot me an email. Email is in the description below, guys. I look forward to hearing from you. Leave your questions and comments. I'll get to all of them. We'll see you next time.